Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be revealing the Kiehls Advent Calendar for this year, 2021. I love Kiehls, I love a lot of their products, so when I saw the reveal of this, I was so excited, and I'm going to share with you all the details that you need to know in this video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. I'm going to share with you some details before we get into the actual products. I did the calculation myself because Kiehls hasn't released this officially on their website, but I calculated how much this is worth according to the full size prices, and it came out to 162.75 pounds, but it's going to retail for 99 pounds. Quite a good saving. It's going to include 24 products. Unfortunately, there are no full sizes. Some of these sizes are like quite nice travel sizes, but the rest are all really sample sizes. According to the blogs that I read, some said that it's going to be launched on the 22nd of October, and others said 22nd of September. So I am not sure exactly when it's going to launch. I will make sure I will update the date in my description box as soon as it's officially released by Kiehls, and I will leave a pinned comment in the comment section. Now without further ado, let's get into the fun stuff and talk about the first product. The first product is a bestseller. It's the Ultra Facial Cream. We're getting 28 ml, so this is a nice travel size, and it's going to be worth 15.68 pounds. Next product is another face cream. It's called the Ultra Facial Oil-Free Gel Cream. So this would be the lighter version of the previous product, very suitable for oily skin. We're getting it in a 7 ml size and it's worth 3.92 pounds. Next product is also another face cream, and it's the Super Multi-Corrective Cream. I haven't tried this. It's in a 7 ml size and it's worth 8.26 pounds. Next up, we've got also another cream. It's the Calendula Water Cream. I love this line by Kiehls. I think I have tried most of the products and I enjoyed all of them. So we're getting this in a 7 ml size and it's worth 5.67 pounds. Next, we've got another bestseller from them. It's the Midnight Recovery Concentrate. I have really strong thoughts about this, but I'm not going to get into the details here. If you want to know more, I will leave a link in the eye for my video about this. So it's going to come in a decent size, 15 ml, and it's going to be worth 20.5 pounds. Next up, we've got a vitamin C serum. This is the Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution. We are getting it in the exact size that you see on the picture, 4 ml, and it's worth 6.13 pounds. Next, we've got Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. I haven't tried this product, but I did see really great reviews about it. We're getting it in 5 ml, and it's worth 5.4 pounds. Next product is another serum. It's called the Vital Skin Strengthening Serum. Haven't tried this either. We're getting 4 ml and it's worth 5.6 pounds. Really cute packaging. Next, we've got Hydro-Plumping Serum Concentrate. This is another bestseller from them. It comes in a 5 ml and it's worth 4.65 pounds. Next, we've got, I believe this is the newest launch from them. It's the Retinol Daily Microdose. We're getting 10 ml, so a decent amount, and it's worth 12.4 pounds. I cannot wait to try this. I'm pretty sure it's really good. I mean, I love Kiehls. I trust their innovation and their formulations in general. They tend to be very elegant and really well thought out. I'm looking forward to be trying this. Next, we've got a product that is one of my favorite products from them. This is hands down the best kaolin mask in the market. It's the Rare Earth Mask. This is a decongesting mask, great for pores, great for brightening, great for really oily skin. Even if you don't have oily skin, you can still use this. It is amazing. It's not drying at all. you will see immediate effect after washing it off. Anyway, enough of me talking about it. We're getting 14 ml, which is a decent size, and it's worth 3.13 pounds. Next up, we've got another mask from them. This is a hydrating mask and quite soothing. I have tried this as well. It's the Calendula Mask. I love this. I love to use it in winter. Actually, I love to use this after I use the Kiehl mask because it kind of gives me that glow again and hydrate my skin. We're getting 10 ml and it's worth 4.4 pounds. Next, we've got the Ultra Facial Toner. I haven't tried this, so nice to see something new to me at least. This product has been around for a while, but I personally haven't tried it. We're getting 30 ml, decent size, and it's worth 3.9 pounds. Next up, we've got another product I haven't tried. It's the Powerful Strength Eye Serum. We're getting 3 ml and it's worth 8.4 pounds. Next, we've got another favorite of mine, the Avocado Eye Cream. We're getting 7 ml and it's worth 13.25 pounds. I love this eye cream. It is great at hydrating and moisturizing the eye area. It doesn't do anything else, but in this it is great. Next, we've got the lip balm number 1. I haven't tried this lip balm and I'm not sure which flavor we're getting. We're getting it in 5 ml and it's worth 3.33 pounds. Next up, we've got a shampoo. This is the Amino Acid Shampoo. 65 ml and it's worth 5.07 pounds. Haven't tried this either. But we're gonna also be getting the conditioner from the same line. It's worth a little bit more than the shampoo, but we are getting it in the same size. So this will be 65 ml for 6.33 pounds. Next up, we've got a body lotion. This is the Crème de Corps, 30 ml, and it's worth 5 pounds. Next, we've got an item for men. It's the Facial Fuel Moisturizer, 15 ml, worth 3.96 pounds. Next, we have a hand cream. This is the Ultimate Strength Hand Salve, and it's 30 ml and it's worth 6.4 pounds. Really decent size for a hand cream. Next, we've got a cleanser, and it's the Ultra Facial Cleanser. This is a basic cleanser. I believe this is really good for very sensitive skin. We're getting 30 ml, again great trial size, and it's worth 3.6 pounds. Next, we have another face wash. This is the Calendula Foaming Wash. This is the product that made me fall in love with this line. I love this cleanser. It is my favorite cleanser of all time. We're getting it in 30 ml and it's worth 3.45 pounds. Next, we've got another product from this line. It's the Calendula Herbal Extract Toner, 30 ml and it's worth 4.32 pounds. That was the last product in this calendar. I love this calendar. It is very similar to the one from last year, but it does have updated products, some new products from them, which I haven't tried. I will definitely be picking it up. I love to use this stuff on travel, and now travel is back. I am traveling a lot actually, so these will be a great addition to what I currently own. So yeah, let me know what you think of this calendar. Are you going to be picking it up or not? And thank you so much for watching. I will be doing next the Jo Malone Advent Calendar, so if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified. And if you enjoyed today's video, give your girl a like, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye guys!